Cool. All right, guys. Nissan 370. We are going to install new brushes. Part number will be probably here, but these aren't the exact ones, so we're gonna have to mod these. Hopefully it works. Actually quite simple. I already started taking it apart. These 3 screws pulls off. This, we'll have to clean that up with a little bit of emery cloth or stuff. Now this guy here, let's grab a little flat screwdriver. You gotta be real careful when you pop this out. Ooh, take the rubber seal off. And there's a little, there we go. You can do on both sides. There. Okay. Oh, gross. Yuck. Okay. Up. Push this back. There's the, there we go. So we're going to take this guy and put this in. So now, grab our fancy dancy caliper. Width. .12 width here. We need to take off 0.4 of a millimeter. Wow. Okay, so what we're gonna do, .400 grit sandpaper, and let's see what happens. Keeping it flat. See how much did that take off? One pass. .452. .450. Okay. After much sanding off camera, there we go. I'm going to show you. Oops. Yes, it's upside down. And cool. So, next, see? Nicely sliding in. Doo-doo. All right, that's a lot of fiddling. What I had to do was when I had to shorten these guys off. So you see, I shortened these guys off. Okay, so let's try and put this back together. Yeah, so we're gonna go underneath, over top. There we go. Okay. Once again for the second time. Nothing there. So how do we bench test this thing? Okay. Let's pull this apart and see if I can bench. See if. Ooh, don't do that. That plastic's kind of. Oh, me a schmat. Okay. So we have these two wires here. So basically, I bet you if we run power to those two, which are those two. Oh, that's how you can do it. Oh well. Well, grab the bench tester. And let's see if this works. The other way. Cool! It actually works. Doesn't stall out. So if you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up. If you like what you see and want to find out what I break next, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.